What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are talking about the USDC stablecoin depegging from the dollar, currently at 88 cents while I'm recording this video. We'll be talking about other stablecoins that are depegging. This has got to do, of course, as well as Coinbase is pausing conversion between USDC and US dollars. We'll be doing an update on Bitcoin at this moment as well. We're going to do some technical analysis and take a look at some potential scenarios that could happen in the next coming hours and couple of days. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily today on Bitcoin Crypto. Also do live streams to connect with the community. Not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in here, guys. If you go to CoinGecko, you're going to see the US dollar coin, stablecoin depegging from the dollar, currently trading at 89 cents. We also have DAI stablecoin at 89 cents as well. Depegging from the dollar, there's a bunch of other ones as well. The ones that are holding strong is Tether. We can see Tether right now even going up 1.01, okay? And Binance US dollar coin also is holding pretty strong at $1. Now, one of the main reasons as well is because, of course, Coinbase paused conversion between USDC and US dollar coin. One of the main reasons why, of course, Circle earlier confirmed it has $3.3 billion back in its USDC stablecoin parked at now shuttered Silicon Valley Bank. Okay, so they have paused during the weekend. Okay, they have posted a tweet here, Coinbase, we are temporarily pausing USDC and US dollar conversions over the weekend while banks are closed. So by Monday or, Monday, Tuesday, we should be seeing the stablecoin getting back, okay, near to that $1, because if this doesn't happen, then of course we could see major volatility in the market and some major downside, of course, as well, right? I know there's a lot of people holding some US dollar coins. I have some US dollar coins, but most of them is in US dollar Tether, which is holding pretty strong at this moment. Not much to say, guys. By Monday, we should be seeing a recovery here. The US dollar coin getting, back to the $1 peg. Because if not, we could see a lot of volatility, and this could affect the crypto market a lot, and I would say to the downside. Okay, now let's jump here to some Bitcoin analysis. All right, because here's what we're for. We are here to make some gains. We're here to make technical analysis on Bitcoin. And right now, what can I say, was just getting a little bit of volatility at this range. Of course, massive drop because of this USDC depegging. All right, if we go to the lower time frames, we were just trading at around about $20,500 a few hours ago. Of course, once we saw this massive fall for the last few hours, it has had a little bit of fear on Bitcoin getting this little drop over here. I'm going to talk about what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. All right. On the higher time frames, yes, we could see some more downside. With the biggest support level on Bitcoin is at the very, very low $19,000 range, as we have that point of control, okay, for the last several months, all right, looking from June. This is what we talked on the latest update. If we do take a look at Fibonacci from this low to the high, we do have that 618 level also at that range. We're currently holding the 618 from this consolidation, so we do have two pivot levels. Right now, we are holding that 618 from this range, getting that consolidation, a little bit of volatility. On the lower time frames, what could we expect for the next coming hours? Well, this is what we're going to take a look at right now, okay? We did some major trading setups on yesterday's live stream, okay? We can go through that right away on this video. Basically talking about, remember, for all of those experienced traders, where I do 100% of my crypto trading is on Bybit. $30,000 worth of bonus can be claimed there still. Make sure to take advantage of this bonus. Some major opportunities on yesterday's live stream, as we were talking about, the price holding this range, coming to claim this high. This was a good shorting opportunity as well to at least this support level. We were looking for the lows to be claimed, but obviously we did get that bounce here from this range and had a decent recovery. Now, it did pump pretty nicely all the way here to 20,600 range. And now, with a bit of FUD from the market, we've had this major drop again, getting back to this very supported level, as you can see, which is the $19,800 level. We had a fake out right over here, came back up, and this range is holding pretty nicely for the moment. Now, what I would expect here for my trading is a failed breakout from this low. How are we going to claim this low? Is it going to be a successful breakout, or is it going to be a fake out for a massive double bottom scenario here on the higher time frames, right? So we got this bottom over here. Let's see if we do hit that level in the next coming hours. It might recover from here, but if we do hit that level, I'm going to be paying close attention on how we claim it, because there is a possibility in a massive double bottom. Of course, if this double bottom happens, the main target would be this level over here, which would be the neckline, okay? So let's see what kind of price action we do form here at the $19,600, $19,500 range for that possibility of a double bottom. All right, if we do claim that level and just go straight through it, guys, there will be no double bottom. There will be no long positions taken here at this level. But if the price suddenly wicks to that level and gets a consolidation, the possibility of a double bottom is possible, okay, for the next coming day. So this is something that I'm paying attention right now at this moment. How are we going to claim these lows at $19,500, $600 range, all right? So at the moment, we are getting that bounce here from the 19,800 range. This was a very high respected level yesterday. We had the breakdown. I entered a trade right there, got stopped out, but entered some other two wonderful trades here that I will explain, okay, in today's video as well, of course. Currently, this level is very, very strong. As you can see, just a bit of volatility here and holding pretty nicely. Next setup I would be waiting for, guys, is how are we going to claim the lows? Will it break through straight away from down below 19,600, or are we going to hold this range and consolidate and form a massive double bottom on the higher time frames? Okay, this is what I'm looking for here in the next coming hours. Now, let me just quickly explain the setups that I entered yesterday, all right? Of course, we had this breakdown. I was expecting this range to hold as resistance. Stop loss was above this level over here, got stopped out. I was expecting the lows to be claimed for that risk to reward. Got stopped out, but as soon as we had that break up here, let me just explain this on the 1 minute time frame, okay? Looking at the volume, we had this high over here being broken, okay? This was the second trade. This was a successful trade right there. We got the resistance at $20,000 range. As you can see, this high over here and this one right over here, we had the breakout with high volume and we got a quick bounce to claim the highs, okay? Nice little scalp here taken as well. This one was stopped out. This was in profit. But then what we had here was the break of the structure. What do you mean by the break of the structure on the lower time frames? We were creating lower highs and lower lows. And here we started creating a higher high, as you can see. So it was very likely to create a higher low. And this was another long position that I entered at this range. Also because we were forming a Gartley pattern, okay? It was a very ugly one, but we had this move up here and it was a very fast as well, okay? It wasn't that symmetrical, but it was pretty much valid for me as we were hitting that 7-8 range, as you can see. And because of the break of the structure, I was pretty much confident that there was a possibility in claiming the A point here, the highs, and this actually happened during that live stream yesterday. So 3 trades yesterday, 1 stopped out and 2 in profit, which was good enough. It was finally a green day yesterday. Now, scenarios from today. What we've seen here is a lot of volatility because of the stablecoin fiasco that there is right now, okay? During the collapse, okay, the depeg of USDC and some other stablecoins, as soon as that is happening, you know, we are seeing that volatility to the downside on Bitcoin as well. Not much to be said, guys. I do think that a larger relief rally is very, very possible. We know the idea after this major drops that we do have, we could consolidate or get a larger relief rally. This is looking at the 1 hourly time frame. There is a possibility and this high being claimed, okay? If we do get that double bottom, all right, I am looking for this high to be claimed, which is at $20,600. Let's see if we do come down here and get that consolidation for that double bottom. If not, this might hold strong because the possibility here in creating an ABC correction, claiming this high before continuing to the downside, guys, is also very, very possible, okay? So if we do take a look at the ABC, right, major drop to the downside, we've created the A point, B point, there is a possibility for a C at least to claim the A or even getting slightly above before any continuation to the downside. I think this is very, very possible. Let's see what happens, guys. It would be nice, you know, the highest probability trade scenario is claiming the low here at 19,550. If we do hold the range, consolidate, create a small double bottom on the lower time frames, holding this range, there is a high chance that the high of $20,600 range here is likely to be claimed, okay? This is something that I'll be looking for here in the next coming hours. Okay, for the moment, this is holding pretty strong. Okay, if we go to the 50-minute time frame, we can see that the 7-8, it's holding pretty nicely. If we do get the low here to the high, we can see that 7-8, all right, big support level as well. So the 7-8 fib level and the current support range at 19,800 is getting a relatively nice bounce here, as you can see. Volume from this move down is not huge. So there's higher volume to the upside. So a bigger bounce is possible from this range. Not much to be said, guys. I'm going to try and do a live stream afterwards to try and find some setups like yesterday. I mean, on the live streams, I've been absolutely crushing it, okay, with some trading setups. Let's see if I do have time later to do a live stream to find some potential setups, guys, together. So I'll see you in the next live stream.